Muna natin kasi para naging kaakibat na ng Miss International Queen Philippines on its first, second, and third year, palaging may intriga as soon as after the coronation. Para ano to? Part na ba to? Ano?
Is it tradition?
Tradition na ba to?
Culture na ba siya?
Culture na ba siya talaga sa cross pageantry?
Ako po, I would like to take it positively and constructively na ibig sabihin po is tinatangkilik tayo. Sabi nga po nila is like parang kung wala yung mga ganyan, ibig sabihin hindi ka pinapanood. So, para po sa akin, sa amin po, nagpapasalamat kami na positive or constructive criticism. Ibig sabihin po, tinatangkilik ang Miss International Queen Philippines. Ibig sabihin po, nag-grow tayo. Ibig sabihin po, dumadami ang followers natin. And yeah, yun po. So baka nga po, kakambal na.
Kakambal na? Traditional.
Sa atin, Sir Dave. I think hindi lang sa MIQ Philippines, kahit sa ang pageant po, cisgender pageant, sa mga municipal pageant natin.
Even in Miss Universe.
I don't want to mention brands, pero I think hindi lang po sa MIQ Philippines. So ako po, kami, we take it as a positive thing. Ibig sabihin, pinag-uusapan, inaabangan po tayo.
And speaking of controversy, naging controversial yung twist natin sa Miss International Queen Philippines. Of course, explain natin yung nangyaring twist po.
Actually, wala kaming twist talaga. Siguro sa sobrang overwhelming kalat-karan during that night. Nasabi niyang twist, pero to be fair with everybody, talagang we only have 3 winners in Miss International Queen Philippines. Pero sa kagustuhan nga ng Exicom Committee na may stretch namin yung cash prizes, we choose the rank 3 and rank 4.
Rank 4, rank 5, sorry.
Rank 4 and rank 5, sorry. So yun po. So meron kami talagang nireading stash for them. Kasi nga, sa totoo lang, alam niyo yan, sobrang hirap mamili ng winner during that night. Ang hirap mamili ng 3. Yung 5, sobrang sakit pa rin sa amin. Kung pwede nga lang na 10 yung manalo, why not? Lahat yan, yun nilalagyan namin talaga ng ranking. Pero sa kagustuhan ng Exicom talaga na ma-stretch namin yung cash prizes at mabigyan talaga ng award din dahil sobrang lahat naman talaga sila nag-effort. That's the reason kaya kami nagkaroon ng 3rd and 4th during that night.
Isa pa po pala, hindi siya sinabi po ni Sir Kate tungkol sa mga shots. Ito po, hindi po alam ng lahat na bukod po sa Corona, ang sash po ng Miss International Queen na sash na to, first runner-up, second runner-up, 3rd and 4th, ay galing po ito sa Thailand. Kasama po ito. So, ang mga pinapagawa ng pa sa Philippines ay yung mga special awards natin. So, we thought na, meron tayong sash na may pinadala. So,
sayang.
And of course, na-determine yung 4th and 3rd runner-up. Of course, sa top 10.
Sa top 5 po.
Top
ranking
ng rank 4.
Top 10 first base sa performance
nila. Ng top.
Para kunin yung top 3.
Yes.
So, yun,
during top 10 finalists.
Yes. Nag-rank 4, si 4th
ang
nag-rank 5.
So parang salamat, nabigyan pa sila
ng special awards and placement, kumbaga.
Kasi hindi sila isinama pa.
Deserve naman po yung inaan namin sa
sobrang hirap. Kung pwede lang po na Diyos ko lahat sila manalo, why not?
Totoo yan.
Kasi sabi nga namin this year, ang gaganda ng mga nyo talaga. Parang 90 to 85 to 90% to 95% in my personal opinion, ang daming talagang pahirapan. Hindi katulad ng first and second edition nyo na parang may mga runaway winners na ang dating. Ito parang...
Salamat po sa regional directors po natin.
Wow!
Because of the regional directors.
Silang lahat sa mga regional
pageants.
And first time natin nagkaroon ng regional directors. Anong comments, anong messages natin para sa different regions, lalo na sa mga interesado maging regional directors in the future?
Siguro messages namin sa kanila talagang again, nasabi ko na yan on stage na talagang huwag kaming iwanan ng mga regional directors namin. And we want them na makasama namin ng mahabang panahon dahil sobrang nakita namin lahat ng effort nila during the event. Yung hirap, pagod, hindi mababayaran yan. At yun yung tumatak dun sa MIQ organization. Kaya talagang yun yung talagang pinagpipray namin everyday na talagang makasama namin sila all throughout of this journey.
Another controversy, yung post ni Miss Reyna Turismo Cavite na during that night, hindi daw siya pinaupo as judge.
Oh yes, I know. It's a sad story that Miss Reyna ng Turismo had such a very sad experience apparently from MIQ Philippines, but we are in good connection with mga Sinta Remulla. We had this GC that na sinabi naman doon that we allowed Miss RNT to have a seat on the judging table, and we even of course ang talagang invited po natin doon is si Ma'am Sinta Remulla, but it so happened that they message us na hindi makakapunta dahil sa isang importanteng engagement or emergency, which we understand naman. At nagpapasalamat kami kasi merong hindi mabablanko yung upuan. So, kung makikita po rin natin sa video, nandun po, in-announce po ng ating mga hosts that to represent Ma'am Sinta Remulla is the crowned RNT queen.
And nakita namin, of
Yes,
course, doon sa
she was
messages.
called on stage.
She was called on stage.
Bakit hindi siya nakaakyat?
Ako po talaga, hindi ko alam.
Sobrang
So hindi po totoo.
And nakita namin doon sa conversation yung sa private message or GC na pinaupo mo siya.
Pinaupo talaga namin.
Na walang,
siguro kung nagkaroon
yes.
ng miscommunication doon sa area ng mga hunters na ito. Pero I myself, I am the witness na nakita ko doon talaga nung ina-advise nila na Ma'am Sinta Remulla is not coming. And sinabi nila na kung pwede daw maging representative si Reyna ng Turismo. And then Michelle replied na yes, if nandoon po siya, let her. So simple as that message po. So siguro po it's a miscommunication lang. So sa lahat po ng mga hindi nakaunawa nung post, that's the real story.
Sir David, Rod, Principal, maybe we can take this opportunity na
Yes,
to
please.
apologize na rin.
Yes,
Ever
opo.
so na nagkaroon ng miscommunication. Ako po personally ang lumapit para makasama natin ang si Mama Sinta Remulla, maging supporter po natin sila. We even invited them. We would like to know, all of you to know that MIQ Philippines is supportive of all the pageants. Nakita niyo po yan. We support Win Philippines.
Yes.
We would like to support RNT as well, Reyna ng Turismo. So, kung mayroon man pong naging misunderstanding, kami na po humihingi ng pasensya,
paumanhin
pero gusto ko lang pong namin i-clear that
Yung mga
we
issues
did
na
not, it's not true that we denied a seat
For-
sa taong dapat na nasa seat. Yun lang po. Baka
It's
nagkaroon
klaro
ng
tayo
communication.
doon.
Yes po.
Oo.
We support Reyna ng Turismo. I am excited to be there.
Correct.
As per the invitation of Ma'am Sinta, kami po lahat, si Sophia, si Lars, ganun. We are excited and we support every
Oo.
pageant. Direct.
Yeah, we support the Reyna-Turismo community. Kung meron mang pagkukulang, maraming salamat ka rin. And sorry, we apologize sa mga ganun pagkukulangan. Pero it's not true yung mga issues na
Yes. Misunderstanding.
we embrace them.
Correct.
With,
Siyempre,
open
bukod
arm.
Sabi nila pag namumunga daw talagang binabato.
Ayun nga. Actually, may isa pang mga nababasa kami sa mga comments na sana binigyan daw ng chances na bigyan ng mic. Pero karoon naman ng chance sa casual interview. During
that's
top
the
10
mechanics
interview.
of Miss International Queen from the very beginning. We haven't have question and answer talaga. So parang what we want is tawag nito a casual interview only. So hindi kami kumukuha ng top 10 doon sa question and answer. Since meron na kaming tinatawag na closed-door interview prior to the event.
And the preliminary.
And even international pageant, parang top 3 lang talaga yung
Top 3 lang po
Q&A.
talaga.
No,
For
right?
3 years na din, we do that
Yes.
Parang first session, after matawag yung top 10, before the top 10, meron mo ng casual interview, then, so,
Pero siguro dahil nga sa mga madaming baguhan, kasi since this is your third year, parami ang nanonood at naging
Yes, interesado.
Yung karamihan ng mga bagong nanonood yun, hindi pa talaga alam yung
mechanics
kaya siguro,
or system?
Yung mechanics, kaya siguro sila nagtatanong. Pero yun na nga, we've been witness for the past 3 years na ito talaga ang plot, ito talaga ang mechanics,
Yes.
ito talaga ang sistema.
Pero mga sirs, this is a learning ground for us as well. So,
tama.
Dapat ngayon na nalaman namin na dapat mas klaro next time. So natututo po kami sa mga ganitong sabi ko nga sa
Correct.
inyo. We take everything like constructively. Maraming salamat sa mga nagpadala or nagbigay ng opinion. We take all of your opinions. We take all of your comments po seriously. We may not be that outspoken sa social media, but we take everything seriously. We listen, we try to comprehend, and we try to address. Just like right now po, uulitin po namin, we would like to tell you all na kung ano man yung sa tingin niyo po naging pagkukulang namin, maraming salamat po at in-address niyo yan dahil sa next year, mas maganda, mas klaro.
Tuloy-tuloy ba ang
mas,
regional?
We'll do better.
Franchise.
We'll do better. Dahil po sa inyo na.
Not better, we're being blessed.
Evolution na eh.
It's evolution.
Mainit kasi yung issue, nung mainit ang issue, syempre may mga nasabing biglaan, may mga directors din na nakapagsabi. Are you in good terms with them?
Yes po.
Na-address naman na yan.
Kaming mga mensahe, may mga hindi mawawala sa pamilya po yung ganyan. Kasi we consider MIQ Philippines as a family more than as a company or business organization. Meron po kami mga mensahe, nagkaka-thumbs upan, So, and we are very affirmative or positive, we say na walang hindi maayos na problema.
May pagbabago ba bukod sa regional directors pa rin, or are you parang eyeing na dapat may mga provincial franchises na rin? Or
Actually,
city franchises?
that is the next project na abangan po nila sa mga susunod na kabanata.
Dapat lang.
Bigger. So,
And speaking of bigger, oh my God.
Speaking of bigger, ano ang aasahan in the
Yes,
next 3 years?
3 years, of course.
Congratulations again, 3 years.
Yes!
Paano ba nyo nakuha uli ang franchise? Paano ba napanatili sa inyong executive committee ang franchise na Miss International Queen?
Unang-una po talaga, hindi po ibabalik sa atin
Correct.
ang prangkisa kung hindi natuwa sila Ma'am Alisa sa ginawa natin for 3 years. Ito po yung testamento, yung mga pinagagawa po natin for 3 years, testamento na sila ay satisfied.
Correct.
Pero wag natin kalimutan, never pa nagbigay ng franchise yan maliban sa inyo 3 years ago. Diba? Yung
Yes
first,
po.
yun yung
Yes
unang-una. And then
Wala
Japan,
pa
for the
talagang
record,
nagpa-franchise.
diba? The first ever franchise na binigay ng Miss International Queens as a Philippines dito sa grupong ito, guys.
Correct.
So ngayon, bakit sa kanila binigay uli? Yun, ba't naman iintrigahin yun? Napatunayan
Bakit naman
nila in
hindi?
the next 2 years,
Yes,
right?
of course.
Yung sistema,
Oo.
paano ba ibinigay sa inyo uli? Kasi during the coronation, during the press con after the coronation, I asked you about that. Eh sabi mo, actually, parang few weeks ago na mo nang alam yon na ibigay sa inyo.
To be honest, alam na po namin, March 15 pa lang.
March 15, oh,
March
diba?
15 pa lang, we already had a correspondence from the headquarters, them giving us, awarding us.
Naging emotional ka doon, Ma'am Michelle.
Oh, yung awarding March
So sobrang emotional mo, nasabi mo na Philippines is the best. Naging chika ka na. I'm so nakakatawa yun.
Meron po tayong Philippines is the pageant capital of the...
Yes, diba? I-praise natin. Diba?
Kumusta
Oh,
naman
diba,
si
galing?
Sophia? How did she take yung mga issues?
Yes.
As the new queen?
I think everyone have their own bets. Syempre naman po, and I respect that po. So, right now, focus lang po ako dun sa mga naniniwala po sa akin ngayon.
Positive
and focus
lang.
po ako sa preparation on Thailand so I could be able to make those criticisms turn into a positive thing po.
Sophia, Hakot Award that night.
Ay, oo nga.
That
Hakot
night
ka.
ba na feel mo na sa'yo na yung corona?
Hindi po.
Yung totoo.
Yung totoo.
Pero chika ha.
Best
Hindi,
in...
promise po. Kasi sa inyo na nga po nang galing talagang lahat
Pakpukan
magaganda
talaga.
talagang best of
Maganda.
all regions. Kaya po parang sabi ko baka kasi kung Hakot Award po parang overwhelmed na po ako noon. Sabi ko dapat parang nasa pressure ako, sabi ko dapat panalo ako kasi Hakot Award ako.
Hindi ka ba
Bet ako ng
natakot na Hakot
sponsors.
Award tapos biglang...
Sophia, that night kasi after of course, that coronation, bugbugan yung yung social media, yung mga bashing. Nagbabasa ka ba? Or paano yung reaction mo nung that time na nasaktan ka ba siya? Of course, tao ka lang.
Actually,
Oo.
sila Sir Tate po, tsaka sila Ma'am Michelle, sila Direk, parang just take it
Kalmado lang.
Condition na yan.
Start of
Ba talaga si Direk, no? Tsaka si Sir Tate.
lahat po sila
Kalmado
inaano
lang.
rin po talaga
Yeah.
nila ako na huwag mo silang papansinin. Kasi,
Yeah.
kasi actually naman po yearly talaga nangyayari. Isa rin sarili naman po.
So talaga hindi ka na, di ba, ang galing, no? Kalmado lang, no?
Hindi, yan ba ang turo
Unbothered.
sa'yo? Kinabukasan nakita namin yung photo mo, nasa kama ka eh. Parang di ba?
Yes.
Woke up like this.
Yun ba yung woke
The
up
new
like
world
this
na
mo,
happy
with
po, yes.
with all the tradition bashing and yet the crown is on your head.
Ma'am Michelle, yan, go.
paano mo ngayon siya ipapakita? It's not just on your head, but it's also you bringing it for the rest of the Philippines to the world.
Yes, actually, right now, nagpo-focus pa lang po kami sa courtesy visits sa sponsors po to give gratitude po sa kanila for loving the MQ Philippines organization. And meron po,
Tomorrow.
Love Yourself PH,
yeah.
we can work with them. And this crown is not just a crown on my head. I can be an art of kindness to everybody through Love Yourself PH.
Tomorrow na yung motorcade parade mo sa Kalayaan, Laguna. Ano bang aabangan namin tomorrow? Of course, yung mga kababayan mo sa Kalayaan, Laguna. Ano bang... Kalayan? Kalayaan. Ano bang mga ganap tomorrow?
So,
Sa
after
homecoming
flag ceremony po sa provincial capital, we will have our motorcade from provincial capital to municipality of Kalayaan. And ano lang po, simple gathering. And I'm just really grateful po sa governor po ng Laguna and to our mayor po for organizing such an event like this.
Nakita mo na ba yung mga co-candidates mo pagdating sa Thailand? Yung mga makakalaban mo sa Thailand, nakita mo na ba yung mga ibang candidates?
Yes po. Ang gaganda nila pong lakas.
Ay,
Maganda ka din.
Magpapaganda rin po tayo.
Okay, I have questions to Sophia. Sophia, sa palagay mo, ano yung paghanda na gagawin mo for our sandwich victory for the Philippines?
Pressure yan, tanong na yan.
Mami Michelle is helping with me po with that, and that is something that you should wait for.
Okay.
If you already find her beautiful now, wait. There's more. Nakita niyo na po.
So anong dadalhin mong costume? Magdadala ka ba din ba na nagsasanta Cruz sa katawan mo? Anong ano?
Abangan. Alam mo naman.
Abangan. And let me take this opportunity to announce as well that our first runner-up, Queen Nina Similatan, would be representing our country sa Miss Mardi Gras in Australia. And our second runner-up, na si Julian Concepcion, would be representing our country sa Miss Transstar na gagawin sa Brazil.
Wow! Oh my God!
And we're looking for pageants as well. May kausap na po tayo na hopefully may padala din natin si Queen Sheila tsaka po si Queen Mikay. Meron po tayong kausap ng mga ibang international pageants. Let's hope pa yung para well represented din naman.
Well, mukhang yung organization nyo naman ang credible and matindi ang integrity when it comes to that.
Plus 500 ka dyan.
Question ko ngayon, kasi for sure, those who are interested to join Miss International Queen in the future, in Philippines in the future, eto isa sa mga tanong. Pag naipadala nyo na ba sila, like runner-up sila, napadala sila sa ibang bansa para lumaban, pwede ba silang lumaban ulit to get the main crown?
Oo nga, sir.
Diba?
Yung ano po ang nangyayari po siya, for as long as hindi ka pa nakapag-represent ng Philippines.
So halimbawa itong mga ipapadala nyo, magre-represent sila ng Philippines. Paano kung i-represent nila hindi Philippines, Pilipinas? So hindi na sila talaga pwedeng lumaban.
Yes, but we would like to give chances to other aspiring trans beauty queens din na may experience po ang entablado na.
But as long as you didn't compete
and besides,
internationally.
mananalo po yung mga yun kanya.
Ay!
Para sila
Manifesting talaga.
Ayan. So anyway, siguro
So malinaw na. Wala nang yung sa mga hindi na maintriga na, I think talagang spur of the moment, yung emotions, talagang part na yan ng industry ng trans pageantry. So any last messages sa ating mga young fans that are watching right now para in the future kung how they are going to look at this event for their time in the future. The current adults now who are interested in trans pageantry and also those who are only looking for faults.
And siguro sa lahat ng supporters
sa lahat ng supporters
detractors. Parang lang lahat na
general.
In general.
For the young trans, keep dreaming.
Yes.
Okay. And then for our supporters, regardless of positive or negative, we love you.
Yan, bet ko kalmado na.
Okay.
Certain.
Sa mga bagong generation ng trans, keep dreaming, kagaya sinabi ni Direk. Always hashtag MIQPH. And dun sa mga bashers namin, thank you, mas lalo kami naging strong. Stronger and bigger. Shisheng.
Iba.
Susunod sa'yo.
To all the young dreamers, just like what they said po, just keep dreaming because I was once on their shoe. Nangarap din po ako and now I am here so they could be able to make it.
Ganda ni Sofia.
Tapos po, sa lahat naman po na sumusupport at sa lahat po ng bashers.
Isa pa? Sa mga supporters at sa mga bashers?
Sa lahat po ng supporters and bashers.
And kay Andy.
Naku, Andy, kailangan may ganun din.
Muli, maraming salamat po sa suporta niyo po sa amin, kay Sofia, sa buong organisasyon po. Thank you po sa lahat po ng sponsors namin. Maaari po may makalimutan po ako, but let me name a few. Of course, Aquila Crystal Palace, Mastay Peace, Camol Cosmetic Hospital, Jojo Bragais, Alfim, Toledo Med, Smiles Professional, who else, Kataw, at sa marami pang iba, Casa Moriones, Spice Centers, Love Yourself, Dr. Bean. Maraming salamat po talaga sa inyo lahat. And umasa po kayo talaga na aalagaan namin at kung sino man ang mga puputungan nating Reyna. At umasa po kayo that we promote love. We are an organization that promotes peace. We are an organization that would like to be an epitome of humility.
Correct.
And we are an organization that embraces everyone po.
At anong message sa mga bashers and supporters?
The Philippines is the pageant capital of the Philippines!
Yeah!